On this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to reset your Netflix password. So if you have actually forgotten your Netflix password, or you just want to reset your password so you can kick everyone that is using it out of the Netflix account, then this video is actually for you. But note that before you can actually reset the Netflix password, you're going to need either the email or the phone number that is connected to that account before it can work, because Netflix will have to confirm that you are the owner of the account before they will allow you to reset the password successfully. And if you have any question at the end of this video, please do remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And if you found this video useful at the end, then please do remember to smash that subscribe button as well, because that's going to help me on my YouTube growth journey. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, in order for you to reset your Netflix password, all you have to do is just open your browser and then go to netflix.com. So once you get to netflix.com, just make sure that you log in your Netflix account. That's actually the first step. Alright, once you've logged in your Netflix account, the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon, which usually is going to be at the top right corner. So once you click on that, you are going to see account. Click on account. So once it's fully loaded up, all you have to do is just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see update password. So you can actually reset your password in here, or if you don't want to do it this way, you can actually click on this security you can see at the top. So you can see security, you can just click on that as well. So there are actually two ways to do this. So if you click on security, it's still the same thing. Just click on this password section that you can see. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. So if you know that you actually remember your Netflix password, like your current password, then all you have to do, just put your current password at the top, and then this second section, put the new password that you want to apply to that Netflix account, and then this third section, also put that new password and then click on save. But if you've actually forgotten your Netflix password entirely, then you have to click on this forgot password section. So let me click on it real quick. So once you click on this section, you can see there are two options. You can either reset it with the email connected to the Netflix account, or you can reset it with text message, which is your phone number. So if it's actually email, all you have to do is just click on email me, and then they will send you, a recent link so you can reset the Netflix password. But if you're actually using text message, it's quite different. You're going to have to click on text message. So let me click on it. So once you click on text message, you can see that now it's showing text me and no longer email me. So if you actually click on text message, you are going to text it to your mobile number, and then you'll be able to reset your Netflix password. So that's it for resetting Netflix password. It's quite simple, and also it's quite easy to do. Thanks for watching. If you found any value on this video, then I would suggest that you smash that subscribe button and stay connected, and also help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, I can get there super fast and super quick. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.